The imitation technique, often called shadowing, is a language learning method where you learn by listening to native speakers and then mimicking their pronunciation, intonation, rhythm, and overall speech patterns. This method leverages our natural ability to pick up language sounds through imitation, the very process by which children learn to speak. Here's a detailed explanation of how you can use this technique to learn German. Find the right resources. Audio materials. Look for high-quality audio recordings or videos featuring native German speakers. Sources might include language courses, podcasts, YouTube channels, or audiobooks. Transcripts. If possible, get materials that include transcripts. This allows you to follow along and understand the words and structures being used. Listen actively. Focused listening. Before trying to speak, listen to the audio carefully. Pay attention to the way words are pronounced, the melody of the sentences, and the natural pauses. Repeat the listening. Listen to the same segment several times until you feel comfortable with its rhythm and sounds. Imitate and shadow. Segmented practice. Break the audio into small sections, a sentence or phrase, and repeat after the speaker. Focus on matching the speaker's tone, speed, and inflection as closely as possible. Shadowing technique. Once you're comfortable with segmented practice, try to repeat the audio simultaneously with the speaker. This shadowing helps train your brain to process and produce the language in real time. Recording yourself. Record your own voice while practicing. Listening back to your recordings allows you to compare your pronunciation with the native speaker and identify areas for improvement. Gradual progression. Start slow. Begin with slower, simpler sentences. As you grow more confident, work your way up to faster and more complex speech. Increase complexity. Once you've mastered short phrases, challenge yourself with longer dialogues or monologues. Regular practice. Consistency is key. Daily or frequent practice sessions will help your brain and speech muscles adjust to the new sounds.